A day after the governor pointed to a sign that positive cases are leveling off, we're also seeing signs of trouble ahead as hospitals and the state's largest medical examiner's office look to add more capacity to store the bodies of those who could not recover from COVID-19. Today we learned 44 more Arizonans died, bringing the statewide total closer to 2,100. The Maricopa County Medical Examiner's Office says they need more coolers and more staff as the toll of this pandemic and the death count is adding up. The state has a fatality task force, quote, monitoring the situation. Lots of developments as we're learning hospitals also need to add more capacity for bodies. ABC 15 reporter Nicole Grigg with that part of the story.
It is alarming to think about hospitals having to bring in refrigerated trucks to help store bodies. However, I am told that this is part of the state's emergency plan for hospitals to be prepared. Abrazo Hospital says that at this time they have ordered the trucks, but they are not needed.
It is very scary out here.
The mayor of the country's fifth largest city going on MSNBC on Friday with this news.
Maricopa County, which is our county public health agency, just announced that they are going to be getting refrigerated trucks because the Abrazo healthcare system has run out of morgue beds.
Abrazo saying that's not the case in a statement calling it a proactive step, saying Abrazo hospitals currently have adequate morgue space. Maricopa County says the medical examiner's office is near 96% capacity. And for the first time, we're learning the state has a fatality management task force that is, quote, monitoring the situation. Wendy Smith-Reeve, the state's former director of emergency management, says the feds have a disaster mortuary operation response team if needed.
You might not need all of it, but some of that might be helpful for the system. So it helps move and process those individuals that have unfortunately succumbed to either the virus or something else. But if the systems are getting overwhelmed, that is a resource at the federal level that could be requested.
Maricopa County saying in a statement they're near capacity for body storage and they need more coolers and staff. But they said in part, quote, this is a situation that occurs almost every summer and is further complicated by the current pandemic.
It's not uncommon, especially during high heat, when you have heat-related deaths, think homeless or others that are otherwise exposed to the heat. Those conditions take a toll on your body.
Staffing for hospitals also an issue across Arizona. Last week, we were told that the state was working on a contract to bring in out-of-state medical workers. However, a week later, as of today, I am told that that contract has still not been signed. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.